Ham and egg sandwich recipe.
Good morning, Sarah. Why are you in the kitchen?
Good morning, Mom. I will go on a picnic with Annie tomorrow. I would like to make some ham and egg sandwiches for her. Mom, is it okay to show me how to make them?
Of course, it is okay. I am pleased to show you. Let's get all the things we need before we start.
Hooray!
Ingredients: 2 slices of sandwich bread. White bread or brown bread? Choose your own favorite. Some lettuce leaves. Some tomatoes. Some cheese slices. Some ham. 1 egg and some cooking oil. Some butter. Some ketchup, mustard and mayonnaise. Some black pepper, I keep them in a grinder. Tools and utensils. Toaster. A frying pan. Iron cast pan or non-stain frying pan. Plastic spatula. Spatula. Knife. Chopping board. Bread knife. We have everything ready now. Let's put on an apron and get started. Step 1. Toast the sandwich bread with a toaster. Step 2. Fry an egg with cooking oil. I like the egg to be fried on both sides. How would you like your eggs? Step 3. Cut a tomato into slices with a knife. Step 4. Spread some butter on the toast. Step 5. Pile all the ingredients over the toast. Step 6. Spread on the sauces and add black pepper. Step 7. Wrap up the sandwich with a bag and you are ready to go. Cut the sandwich into half if you wanted, of course.